Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can do YouTube background play in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to open your YouTube. Click on YouTube, and friends, here it is the U button. You can see this. You click on settings, or you can see when you just swipe down, here it is the get YouTube premium. You have to just purchase a plan for it to get background play, so you can watch by using other apps or with your screen lock. You can also get some advantage like ad free, so you can immerse in your favorite videos without interruption. Download videos to watch later when you are offline or on the go, and you can stream all the music you want to hear ads free on the YouTube Music app. You have to just purchase any one of plan and you can get these things. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.